Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Born Pretty Candy Color Gel Polish that they sent out to me. Now this is the packaging. I love their packaging. It's so pretty. So in this kit, you get 6 different gel polishes. I'm going to pop up a picture for you guys so you can see the different colors that you get, but obviously I used the blue. I love this shade of blue for spring, summertime. But another thing that I love about these bottles is that you can actually see the color right on the front of the bottles, which is really nice because a lot of bottles do not do that for you. Most of them have just like this little sticker on the top of the bottle, but I love that you have the little window to actually see the color. So this Born Pretty set you can get right off of Amazon and it's under $15, which is amazing to get 6 bottles of polish for under 15 bucks. Like you can't you can't do that anymore. It's hard to find a good quality gel polish for an affordable price. And I'm telling you, I really did enjoy using this nail polish. The quality of it is really nice. Like usually when you have a lighter colored gel polish, you have to use 3 to 4 coats to get the actual color that you want. But with these polishes, I only had to use 2 coats, and honestly, for most of the shades, you really only need like 1 coat because it is that pigmented. It was really nice. It was thick, but it wasn't too thick to where it was like super hard to work with or anything. But it wasn't thin, which was really nice because like I said, when you use these lighter colors, usually the polish is pretty thin and you have to do like 3 or 4 coats, but Born Pretty did their thing on these colors. I really enjoyed using these colors. I love the light blue. It's so pretty. And I just did like a cute little butterfly design on there. Now, if I can't find these exact stickers, I will find something that is very similar to these stickers, because I've had these stickers for a while, but I will definitely have everything linked below for you guys. And actually, when you go to Amazon, they have more than just this candy color. They have a lot of different sets that you can get, and they're very, very affordable. Like I can't get over how affordable they are for the quality that it is, because I've used quite a few different brands of gel polishes, and this Born Pretty one is definitely worth your money. I really just cannot say enough good things about it. It was really super easy to work with. I really cannot wait to try more of their polishes because I was like really blown away with the quality of this. I was thinking like, okay, it's gonna be, it's gonna be okay. It's not gonna be great because they're light colored, but no girl. These are really nice polishes. And I did my nails like 3 days ago because I wanted to test it out for a few days just to see how it was gonna last, because sometimes you do your nails, they look really good, and then within a day or two they start chipping in things, but I have not had an issue with the polish chipping at all. So I'm really impressed with this Born Pretty set. So I just want to say thank you so much to Born Pretty for sending this set out to me. And if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's go ahead and get into the portion where I try this polish out. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And I already have my nails done. I used the Born Pretty nail tips and glue set. I will link that video below for you guys. So I'm going to be using this color here, which is the light blue color. I loved this blue. I don't have anything like this blue, so that's why I wanted to use it today. And I'm just going to paint my nails in 2 coats with this polish. And if you get any on your skin, just use a brush and some fingernail polish remover to get it off before you cure your nail polish. And then I'm gonna cure. And I'm gonna do the second coat. And then I'm gonna cure. Okay, so now that I have my fingernails painted, I'm gonna take these little butterflies and put on here. Now, if I cannot find these little butterflies, I will find something very similar. So now that I have the stickers applied, I'm gonna go ahead and just put a clear top coat on. And now I'm gonna cure. Okay, and now I'm just gonna use my favorite cuticle oil. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed set. I love how they turned out. I think that they look super summery and they are so pretty. I love this color blue, and the formula was absolutely amazing to work with. It was thick, it wasn't too thick, but it wasn't runny. I only needed 2 coats to do my nails, which is nice because sometimes with nail polish you need 3 and 4 coats, but this one I only needed 2. So I absolutely loved how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!